Kimora was the person that actually popularized the whole odogwu boo. If you don't know it now.
I made odogwu boo go global. You were doing what you were doing with Kimora. Yes, odogwu boo, you guys brought up the name. But in this world, I'm saying globally, there is no place you will go today, you will say odogwu boo without people mentioning Aisha. Who will say Kimora and odogwu boo? In fact, it's even brought up with the name, our name now, odogwu boo na Aisha. Everybody knows that. Aisha even comes before odogwu boo. Wherever he goes, he says it. Everybody knows Jay. Where is Aisha? Where is I'm a star? And it just the ungrateful. Please, just say your part. Oh, I don't want to say things I'm not supposed to say. How can I say
my part when you keep interrupting me and you can't keep your mouth shut? Ha! This food that you are dragging, only you cannot finish it. Oh.
At least let it belly food me. You've not satisfied me, and you are going to share to people that are outside. You need to be a man for you make outsiders.
Am I not in your custody? Is the food not in your custody?
Nico, leave me. Chijoke, anu arum choro iko. Anu arum choro ki ikwasa mi iko. Anu arum choro ya as my husband. Yo ifa ka anu arum choro.
Agaghị m eme ya anụ arụ gị chọrọ Chineke nyere maka. It's good for the documentary, right? The director. At least I know comic relief. So that it doesn't look like we're quarreling.
It's quarreling.
Ije, come on down. Shebi, if you talk, I talk.
Okay, say your part. So you are just digressing and saying unnecessary things. When it was my own turn.
But when you were saying all those things you were saying, do you think that they were all going well with me? Didn't I calm down?
I know who you are. If at all I said anything that was lie, you would have immediately objected it.
From where I was sitting?
Yes.
Why would I object it?
Because that's who you are as a person.
When I gave you the space to talk.
Allow me space. Should I give him space?
Allow me now. Allow me. If you're actually interrupting me, how will I make my points? Let's continue, director, please. See the way she has been talking to me. If tomorrow now she will say that I'm the one manipulating her. If I'm talking, she's talking. If I'm talking, she's talking. Like I was saying, I was already popular. Odogwu Boo was already popular while I was with Kimora. I mean, while I was doing skit with Kimora, not while I was with Kimora, though. While I was doing skit with Kimora, because before I introduced my wife as Aisha, then I have other characters that I've actually worked with. You know, I featured Kimora, I featured there's one Jenny, Zeni, I featured Doris, I featured Ella. I featured Nenyara, I featured Adan Soka. You know, if you are following my concept those days, you see all those things, and then all of them, all the concepts were originally mine. What can I brain? What can I brain? That's why till tomorrow, if you ask Kimora now, she will tell you that I am the most creative person she has ever met. But some people will never acknowledge me. And that is what they call see finish. Familiarity, now they make pastor wife never get belly. Pastor we say, now they pray for others to get belly, in wife never get belly. Now because of familiarity, the pastor anointing will not bless you as a wife because you cannot even respect your husband because it is same with bosses. I won't lie, when my wife, Ijoma then, my girlfriend, when I introduced her Hausa character, Aisha, to tell you the truth, a lot of people resonated with her character, a lot of people fell in love with her character. You know, her character was actually massive, and immediately I have introduced her character, you know, it was doing well, and like they say, the rest became history. You want to go?
Which rest became history? when you were talking about Kimora, the rest did not become history, Chijoke. Suddenly now, when you're about to talk about Aisha, to tell the world how I helped your life, how I transformed you from better to good, the rest suddenly became history. Eh?
Is it not how they used to say it? Mbonna.
Chike, you're a chief manipulator.
It's not they used to say it.
Mbonna,
The rest
again, you're a
becomes
chief
history.
manipulator. All you go on my own turn that you open your mouth to tell the world how I helped you, for them to know. You now remember that the rest became history. You won't go into details.
Am I the one that
But during
introduced
Kimora's
the
own,
line, the rest
after
became
you
history?
say nothing happened between you and Kimora, during Kimora's own, you were giving it detailed how she did and what
Yeah,
you did.
Shebi, you studied in English language. Am I the one that introduced ETC, or the rest became history?
This is why I say he's a chief manipulator. No wonder your name is Chijioke. The chi in your name is actually for chief manipulator. Or he manipulates me. And the rest suddenly became history.
Chief manipulator Chijioke.
During my own town, iga ebe ponu kusi efe merugi. Ya obrozi history. Nyadiba. I said it, we are in history class.
Some of her videos started doing better than my previous video.
All of my videos.
Are you okay now?
Not some. There was, in all your history that you did with Kimura, all these things you called Mananya Chukuma, Indala, Mande, Elanka, and Kayas. I don't want to even call their names because I'm not insulting. None of their videos till date. It was my first Hausa video with him that picked up, helped his career. Go and check it. I'm not scapping. I'm not even blabbing like him. All these things are in the media blabbing for everybody to see. Go and see this course. The things he was doing with Facebook, wow. He was on Facebook for years. See, according to him, he started Facebook, he started MCing, he started all the things he was doing. None of those things gave him 1 naira. None of those things paid a dime. It was when he started Odogwu and Aisha. The first Facebook money he got was my sweat. Everything till date. This one that he's relishing on now, it was Odogwu and Aisha that gave him the platform to build such. But all of those things, he will not come out to say it. And of course, and as a supportive wife that I am, I'll just be keeping silent. Just be watching. Let me not see what I will do. I don't want to interrupt.
You claim that it was your star that shone on me. You claim that it was your grace that I was using.
Yes. You
claim that you were my good luck charm. Why didn't the star shine on your family? Why didn't the grace help your family? You see, you claim you opened doors for me. Why didn't you open doors for your father and for your family and for your brothers, your 4 brothers that have been struggling up till now?
Chijoke.
I don't mean to.
Chijoke.
I don't mean to.
Don't involve my family. Don't open your mind. You see all this is you've been saying. I've been respecting you.
I'm just asking you simple question.
Don't ask me. Don't involve my family.
Women are always used to saying that they brought luck to you, that they brought open doors to you. Why didn't you open doors for your family? Charity, they say, begins at home. Why didn't you open door for your father? Why didn't you open door for your brother? Don't bring my late father into this. Don't bring my late father. Don't even call my Your 5 brothers are struggling up to today. And you claim that you are the one that helped this man. Why didn't you help your family? You've been singing this like a parrot that you brought grace. You brought this one that it was surely that you brought. Why didn't you bring it to your family? It's a very simple question. I'm not trying to quarrel with you. It's just a simple question. Why didn't that grace and that star shine on your family?
Wait though, since you even want to compare yourself with my family, since you want to compare yourself with my father, a man that is dead, let's go there.